Kick her, Pookie.
Stop!
Tell her to get low. Kick her. Step on her. Bob, leave her alone.
Stop! Stop!
Kick her. There you go. Kick her. Tell her to get back.
Stop!
Get back. Kick her.
No! No!
You don't want to kick her? Climb up on Mama then. Now you can get out. You tell Mama you ate all that popcorn up today? You tell her?
Who are you? What's your name?
Ain't nobody hurt you.
What's your name? What's your name? Hey, little girl.
Put your shoes on. You throwed all your stuff.
What's your name?
Name's Tana.
Your name's Kenya? How old are you?